Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In this video, we will learn what is universal credit, what you will get if you are single and under 25, you will get £316.98. So we will discuss that everything in this video. We will also discuss the eligibility, that who is eligible for universal credit, and in the end, we will learn how to claim universal credit. So without wasting time, let's start. So let's understand what is universal credit. Universal credit is a payment to help with your living cost. It's paid monthly or twice a month for some people in Scotland. You will be able to get it if you are on low income, out of work, or you cannot work. Now let's understand how you are paid. Universal credit is paid once a month, usually into your bank account, building society, or credit union account. Your payment can include money for your rent or other housing cost. You will usually need to pay this to your landlord. So the UC will pay you and then you will pay this to your landlord. If you are not able to open a bank, building society, or credit union account, then you need to call the Universal Credit Help. They will be able to give you the advice on arranging a different way of getting paid. The first payment can take up to 5 weeks. If you need money, you can apply for an advance with the UC team. So this is how you will get paid the first time, but after that it will be normal. Now let's understand what you will get paid. Universal credit is paid monthly. How much you get depend on your standard allowance, any extra amount to help you, any money that taken off your payment. So let's suppose you had advance, etc. If you are working, then how much you are earning, that will be. You can do this via benefit calculator. So this is the link for the benefit calculator. You can do everything yourself. If you click on this link, this will take you to the website and you can do everything yourself. Watch this video. I've showed how you can calculate benefits yourself. It's a complete guidance. This video will explain you from A to Z. Now the standard allowance you will get is for your household. Okay. So one standard allowance for your household. When we say word household, that means household, for it's coming for the family. If you are single and under 25, that means £316.98. If you are single and 25 or over, then £400.14 monthly standard allowance. Let's me focus. This is monthly standard allowance we are talking about. If you add other benefits, then it will be different. If you live with your partner and you are both under 25, then you will get 497.55 for both of you. If you live with your partner and either of you are 25 or over, then £628.10 for both of you. So this is how it's get calculated. Now let's understand the rule for the children. So you may get more money on top of your standard allowance. If you are eligible, you need to report changes when you become eligible for an extra amount. Okay. If you have children, you get an extra amount for your children if they live with you. If they don't live with you, then the rules are different. You would get the extra amount until the 31st after their 16th birthday, 19th birthday if they are in eligible education or training. For example, they are studying. In that case, you will only get an extra amount for your first and second child. You will not get the extra amount for any more children unless your children were born before 6 April 2017. You were already claiming for 3 or more children before 6 April 2017. Now, this video I'm creating in January 2026. The rules may change afterwards, so we always have to consider the new rules. Just now, in January 2026, the rules are the same. How much you will get for your first child born before 6 April 2017? 339. For your first child born on or after 6 April 2017, £292. For your second child and any other eligible children, it's £292. Now let's learn housing cost. You could get money to help pay your housing costs. The payment can cover rent and some service changes. If you are a homeowner, you might be able to get loan to help with the interest payment on your mortgage. Money taking off your payment. Your payment might be reduced if any of the following apply. You are paying back an advance on universal credit payment. You would get above the amount limited by the benefit cap. You have been overpaid benefit in the past. You owe money for council tax, court fines, electricity, gas, water, or child maintenance. You pay your gas and electricity bills directly from universal credit payment. You have a paid job. You have other income, for example, money from pensions or certain other benefits. You have more than 6,000 in money, savings, and investments. If you have over 6,000 in money, savings and investment, your payment will be reduced by £4.35 for every £250 you have between 6,000 and 16,000. Another £4.35 is taken off for your any remaining amount that is not a complete 250. Now let's understand how to claim. You can claim universal credit online. You need to create an account to make a claim. You must complete your claim within 28 days of creating your account, or you will have to start again. Your claim starts on the date you submit it in your account. If you live with your partner, you will both need to create accounts. You will link them together when you claim. You cannot claim by yourself. If you cannot claim online, you can claim by phone through the Universal Credit Helpline. Now let me show you how to claim. For that, just go on Google, just write in the search section gov.uk, the only genuine website. In the search section, just write Universal Credit, then click Universal Credit, go down, how to claim. Click on this link, go down. At the bottom, you will find apply for Universal Credit online. You will click this link. Next message is Universal Credit Online. Create an account. So you have two options. If you already have an account before, you will click this one. Otherwise, you will create an account. Are you making this claim yourself? Yes. Continue. If you already get other benefits, for example, you have housing benefits, income benefits. So I have read. Continue. Create an account. So you will enter your create user ID, password, retype your ID, security questions. These questions are important. So these are the questions: where you were born, first car, father main job, first concert, name of your street, first job. Write them somewhere secure so you don't lose the answers. This is how you will be able to reset the password. So it's very easy. Universal Credit. If you wanted to know anything about Universal Credit, just go on gov.uk, write Universal Credit, and you will land on this page. This is the page which explains you everything that what Universal Credit is. Now let's discuss the eligibility. You may be able to claim Universal Credit if you are on low income, if you are out of work, you working, including self-employed or part-time, okay, unable to work, for example, because of health condition. To claim, you must live in the UK. This is very common question. People think that if you are outside, you can claim. No. Be age 18 or over. Be under stage pension age. Have 16,000 or less in money, savings and investment. So this is what the rule is if you wanted to claim Universal Credit. If you have come to my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe. I have created loads of videos on benefits, how you can do everything yourself. It's very easy. Everything is available on gov.uk. If you have any question, put that in the comment section and I'll get back to you.